Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. Now I already logged in into my Mailchimp account, so you can go ahead and create yours first before you can continue and watch this tutorial. After you finish logged in or signing up, if you're still new to Mailchimp, you're going to find this dashboard like here. Your dashboard is going to look like this. So basically, Mailchimp is a platform that allows you to create things such as email campaign. You can also create automations. You can also see a review of your campaigns. You can add context, audience. You can also see the analytics of your campaigns, and you can also create website through Mailchimp if you ever need one. Now I already have my website. It's not on Mailchimp, but I already have it on other platforms, so I'm not going to focus on that for now, but I'm going to focus on creating a landing page. So to create your landing page, all you have to do is you're going to go to the navigation bar on the left side of your screen, click on create, and you're going to be able to see the selections of things that you can create, such as emails, automation, website, landing page, and creative assistant. So of course we're going to click on the landing page right here, and then here you're going to start by adding the name for your landing page. Now here are several things that I would want you to pay attention to before you create a landing page. Landing page are supposed to be a page where you're going to focus on, let's say, one thing. So you don't want it to consist too much information, which will end up confusing anyone who's going to see that specific page. So make sure you only choose one topic. For example, you want to notify your customers, or you want to notify your audience about a new release of something, or maybe you have a product that has been sold out for quite a long time and you know that people are enthusiastic about it, and that specific product somehow manage to be able to resurface into your website, so you want to tell people over that. Or maybe you want to ask your audience to sign up to your membership, or probably you're going to create an event, something like that. Just make sure you have only one topic for your landing page so that people are not going to be confused when they're seeing your page. So for now, I'm going to, let's say that I'm going to create a new clothing collections, and let's say I'm going to give a 50% off, or just like some kind of discount for the people that I notify if they're going to subscribe to my newsletter, or if they're going to subscribe to my webpage. So I'm going to go ahead and name it as, let's say I'm going to name it newer collections and bigger discount. And for an audience selections, you're going to want to create this beforehand, and I've already created mine, and I'm going to show you how to create it at the end of the video, but I've already created mine, so I'm going to go ahead and just choose Eyes of the Sun, which is the name of my shop, as the audience, and then go ahead and click on begin. Alright, so I've got a notification here that says that these templates may include placeholder stock images and copy. So before I can use the templates, I have to accept the additional terms. I'm just going to go ahead and accept it. And here we have a selection of templates that we can use for our landing page. Again, this is going to depend on what kind of landing page you will want to create. For example, this one's right here is going to ask the audience to buy specific products. This one is going to ask some people to book for something. This one is going to ask for people to subscribe on something, etc. So feel free and choose on the templates that you feel are the most suitable for your business. Since I'm going to announce a new collection, and I'm going to give a discount for those who subscribing to my newsletter or to my website, I am going to go ahead and use this one. Alright, so this is the templates, and since I've already created an email once and I've already inserted my logo, my logo is automatically being added over here. So I think every single time I'm creating an email, newsletter, or everything or anything that needs me to add a logo, it's going to automatically add it over there. Now I already have my logo, but I feel like it's a little bit too big. I'm gonna see if I can make it smaller. Okay, so to make it smaller, you just have to double click on it, and then you're going to be able to simply adjust it by dragging on this bar right here. Let's say I want it to be this big. And then here is going to be the headline section. So I'm going to change it into the name, just like the name that I put for this landing page. So newer collection, bigger discount. And then on the sections right here, I'm just going to add a small explanation, a little explanations about what's going to happen if they're going to subscribe to my website. So let's say I'm going to say that subscribe to our website and get, let's say, 30% off on your first purchase of our new collection. Alright, so I got my title as well as a little explanation about what's going to happen. And right here, there's actually a part where I can add the product, but I'm just going to delete this one and I'm going to change it into an image instead. So you can totally customize this template. You don't really have to follow every single thing that is already created in this template. That's why instead of using that adding product section, I'm going to go ahead and change it into this image section. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it under my explanation, under my little description, and then I'm going to upload an image. Alright, so my pictures is finished uploading, and then again, this is another part that I don't think I can use, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. And over here you can also add custom review if you have. I don't have any for now. Again, I'm just going to remove it, but I am going to add a new section, and that section is going to be for some sort of call to actions button. Oh no, I'm going to add this sign up form, so I'm going to go ahead and drag it. And then over here, I'm going to ask them to subscribe so that they will know that they're going to be able to get the discount if they subscribe to my website. I'm going to add just a little bit more explanation. It's going to say subscribe now to get your discount code. Alright, and then I'm going to close it, and this is how it's going to look like. And once I'm done with the design, I'm going to go ahead and click on save and close, and that's it. Now I got my landing page, and I can publish it through Mailchimp, or I can also just share the URL if I want to put it into another web page or into another platform. So that is how you can create a landing page with Mailchimp. Now, as I promised before, I'm going to show you how to create the audience. So what you're going to do is on your navigation bar on the left side of your screen, you're going to find this audience sections, and through here you're going to be able to add contacts. Go ahead and click on all contacts, and then you can click on this add contact right here, and you can choose whether you want to add a subscriber or import contacts. So that is how you can create your audience for your newsletter, or maybe for your email campaigns, or even for your landing page. And that is it. That is how you can create a landing page with Mailchimp. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.